Good day, Pinoy Clicksters and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. In the context of polyamory or alternative relationship styles, a unicorn is a highly desirable single bisexual person, usually a woman, who is willing to join an already established couple for a romantic or sexual relationship. In Heroclix, it's a horse with a horn. Let's go! Okay, so we are looking at WizKids Heroclix Unicorn. And this particular product contains one pre-painted collectible miniature game piece, a promo figure, and you can see here the image of the unicorn with all the colors of the rainbow. On the left side, we see the same image. On the right side, the same but with a bigger unicorn name. At the back, almost the same figure, almost the entire figure rather. And this particular product was released 2024 by WizKids, and we're looking at it now. And as you know, in a traditional sense, unicorns are a mythical horse-like creature with a single spiraling horn protruding from its forehead. Okay, so we already have the zombie unicorn, which was a symbol of evil. This particular unicorn is a symbol of purity, grace, and untamable power. Let's see. Uh, Ta-dang! And there you go. So I really wanted to have this because in the X-Men X of Swords series or storyline, when they went to Araco, the X-Men team, okay, so part of the dinner was a roasted unicorn. So I'm gonna keep this for my collection. And yeah, let's see how what he does. By the way, the the rainbow, okay, he's jumping off a rainbow, and you can see that the rainbow is translucent, so lights pass through it. Okay, so that's good. And as I said, he is a symbol of purity. Okay. By the way, did you know that unicorns are the national animal of Scotland? Okay, so here you go. Okay, so very, very white. And let's see what he does. A unicorn is has the mystic steam ability, set number WKD, WKD, WizKids. What's the D for Disney? I'm not so sure. Maybe just WizKids. WKD24-002. Keywords are animal, deity, mystical, past, and speedster. He has a trait, race to the rainbow. At the beginning of your turn, if a rainbow terrain marker generated by unicorn is not on the map, generate a rainbow hindering terrain marker exactly 6 squares away. Okay, I don't have a marker, so I should find one. When unicorn moves through a rainbow terrain marker, after resolutions, you may place it on this card. Okay. Okay. And then he has a second trait, Rainbow Rush. Free. Remove up to 3 rainbow terrain markers from this card. For each terrain marker removed, until your next turn, modify speed +1. Okay, that's good. So possibly +3 speed. And unicorn can use the following effects depending on the number of terrain markers removed. One or more. Charge and flight. So he doesn't have flight. Oh, it's just a horse, a regular horse. 2 or more. Hypersonic speed. Improve movement character. 3 is close combat expert and exploit weakness. Okay. Okay. So does that mean he only gets the effect when he removes that card, the terrain marker from his card? Because that's going to be just like once a game, I imagine. Hmm. Interesting. And he has a special movement power, the rarest creature of all, stealth. Opposing characters with a blue, bronze, or purple rarity can can target unicorn unless they begin the turn adjacent to it. Protected pulse wave. So blue is ultra chase, bronze is chase, purple rarity is iconic, I guess. So only the Cur and SR can attack unicorn if they're not adjacent to it. So real name is Varius, as there are a lot of unicorns, I guess. That's why it's Varius. And he is not unique, so you can use multiple of the unicorns. Let's take a look at his dial. He comes in 100 or 50 points. He has that special movement power. He has Blades, Claws, and Fang. But at 100-point line, he begins with Invincible Shape Change. On the 50-point line, he begins with Invulnerability Shape Change. Then there's Toughness towards the end and Support. Was it Support? Yes. Okay. So, very interesting. Maybe on an I would see Speedster. Speedster is something that might work for Flash or whatnot. Flash-based team. Animal also might be good. Okay, if you want to be use really animal sculpted figures. But what do you guys think? Have you used unicorn in your team? If so, please share your thoughts in the comments and your team build. And until next time, bye.